Hi children, how are you? I hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about shapes. We are going to discuss about shapes. Children, in our daily life we see so many objects around us. For example, look at this picture. This is a kitchen. In this kitchen, we can see some items. Those are fridge, oven, cupboards, and some food items like eggs, biscuits, sandwich, and rotis, like that. These are in different shapes. Now, we are going to discuss about these shapes. Children, usually shapes are in two types. First one is 2D shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. That means these shapes have only length and breadth. These have only length and breadth. The second one is 3D shapes. 3D shapes. That means three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes means these shapes have length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height also. Understood, children? Now, we are going to see some 2D shapes. Now, we are going to see some 2D shapes. Look here, children. This picture shows square shape. This picture shows square shape. This shape shows us rectangle. This shape is called rectangle. This shape is called a triangle. This shape shows us a triangle. Understood, children? The next shape shows us a circle. This shows us a circle. The next shape shows us a diamond shape. It shows us a diamond shape. The next picture shows us oval shape. It shows us an oval shape. The next picture shows us a star shape. It shows us a star shape. These are some 2D shapes. Understood, children? These are some 2D shapes. Children, once again look at this picture. Here we have some food items on the table. In the picture, from right side, the first plate has some biscuits. These are in square shape. In the next plate, we can see two pieces of sandwich. One piece is in the shape of square and another one is in the shape of triangle. Isn't it? One piece is in the triangular shape, another piece is in the square shape. In the next plate, we can see some more biscuits. These are in circular shape. These are in circular shape. In the next plate, we have some rotis. These are in circular shape. These are also in circular shape. And 3 eggs also there. Look here children, 3 eggs are also there. These eggs are in the shape of oval. These eggs are in the shape of oval. And look there children, in the bowl we have one more food item. Maybe these are laddus. These are in circular shape. These are in circular shape. By observing the background of the women, we can see some kitchenware items. These are fridge, oven, rice cooker, cupboard, like that. Once observe here children, fridge is in the shape of rectangle. It is in the shape of rectangle. Oven is in the shape of rectangle. This is also in the shape of rectangle. Look here children, cupboard also in the shape of rectangle, but the inner design of the cupboard is in the shape of square. Can you observe this? Children, by observing this picture clearly, we can see one hanger on the wall. This hanger is in the shape of triangle. It is in the shape of a triangle. Like this, in our surroundings, we can see so many objects in different shapes. Understood children? Children, once again recall our 2D shapes. These are, first one is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. The next shape is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. The next shape is triangle. Next one is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. The next shape is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. The next shape is diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. The next shape is oval. O-V-A-L, oval. The next shape is star. S-T-A-R, star. Is it clear children? Children, let us see 3D shapes. 3D shapes. The first shape shows us cube. This is called cube. The second shape shows us a cuboid. This shape is called cuboid. The next shape shows us a cylinder. This shape is called a cylinder. Understood children? Next shape is called as cone. It is called cone. Next shape is called as sphere. It is called as sphere. Let us see some examples for these shapes. Look here children. Here we have a candle, pencil and a capsule. Do you know these items? These are all in a cylindrical shape. These are all examples of cylinder. These are all examples of the shape of cylinder. Look here children. Here we have a birthday cap, carrot and a cone ice cream. Already we know all these items. Once clearly observe here, these are all in the shape of cone. These are in the shape of cone. So, these are the examples of cone shape. Understood, children? Look at this picture. Here we have earth. We have earth and ball. Earth and ball. These are the examples of sphere. These are the examples of sphere. Look here, children. Here we have one gift pack and a dice. Gift pack and a dice. These are the examples of cube shape. These are the best examples of cube shape. Look at the next pictures. Here we have one book and a mobile phone. Book and a mobile phone. These are the examples of cuboid. These are the examples of cuboid. Have you understood, children? These are the examples of some 3D shapes. Let us recall our 3D shapes. Look here, children. The first shape is cube. The first shape is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. The second shape is cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. The next shape is cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. The next shape is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. The last shape is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Children, let us see the worksheet. The first question is match the following. Left side we have some shapes and right side we have some objects. Now you should match the objects with the corresponding shapes. Understood, children? The second question is match the following. Again we have some shapes in the left side and we have some objects in the right side. Now you should match the objects with the corresponding shapes. The third question is match the following. Left side we have some objects and right side we have some shapes. Now you should match the objects with the corresponding shapes. Understood, children? Children, do this worksheet and get ready for next class. Thank you and take care, children.